Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss the IUPAC name or IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes. So alkenes are the class of organic compounds having carbon-carbon double bond. It is otherwise known as olefins, carbon-carbon double bond. So it is a unsaturated system. Alkanes are otherwise known as paraffin. They are called as saturated system because in a organic compounds consist of only carbon-carbon single bond are said to be saturated. Either double bond or triple bond present in the organic compounds, they are said to be unsaturated systems. Here also alkenes are unsaturated system. The general molecular formula, CnH2n. N is equal to 2, N starts from 2. So C2H4. N is equal to 3, C3H6. N is equal to 4, C4H8. N is equal to 5, C5H10. C5H10. So the first member, how to write this compound? Structural formula, C double bond C. So look at this structure here. Two carbon atoms are attached with two bonds. Each bond carries 2 electrons. Therefore, 2 bonds present in this carbon-carbon system. Therefore, 4 electrons are present. So remaining the valency 4 is satisfied by these 2 hydrogen atoms CH2. So valency of carbon 4 is satisfied by 2 hydrogen atom and 2 electrons. Here 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons of this double bond. And carbon number 3 means you either put any one of the placed double bond, either this carbon or this carbon, CH2. This carbon is surrounded by 3 bonds, therefore CH3. C, carbon number 4, first you put the double bond here, therefore CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. And another one compound, you put double bond here, CH2, CH3, CH, CH, CH3. So this is carbon number 4. And another isomer also possible, CCC. One substituent C, CH3. You put double bond here. This carbon is surrounded by 1, 2, totally 4 bonds. Therefore, no hydrogen is necessary for satisfying valency 4. CH3, CH2. So this common name of the compounds, ethylene. This is propylene. Alpha, beta. In between carbon number alpha and beta, double bond is present. Therefore, alpha butylene. Here beta and gamma. Therefore, beta butylene. This is isobutylene. How to write the IUPAC name of the compound? From the parent hydrocarbon, the terminal letter ethane, ANE is replaced by ENE. Alkene, ethene, propene. For butylene, again numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. In between carbon number 1 and 2 double bond is present. Therefore, 1 butylene. Here 2 butylene. 1 butylene, 2 butylene. In this numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3. In the second carbon methyl group is present. Therefore, 2 methyl propene. 2-methylpropene. 2-methylpropene is the IUPAC name of the compound. You practice carbon number 5 like this. Carbon number 5. Totally 5 carbon atoms. Any one of the place double bond is present. Again 5 carbon atoms. Second position double bond. Suppose you put a double bond here means reverse number this compound and the next member is also same. So you put number between carbon number 2 and 3. Then you put one substituent, double bond C. Here one substituent. Another one case, suppose the compound is like this, double bond. So these are the various possibility in the case of carbon number 5. So this is carbon number 5 and the isomeric forms of carbon number 5. After that you put the necessary hydrogen and write the IUPAC name of the compounds. Suppose this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 pentene, 1 pentene. This is 2 and 3, double bond is present, 2 and 3, therefore 2 pentene. Here second carbon methyl group, in between carbon number 2 and 3 double bond is present, therefore 2-methyl-2-butene. Straight chain consists of only 4 carbon atoms, 2-methyl-2-butene, 2-methyl-2-butene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-methyl-1-butene. 1 here 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond possesses greater reactivity, therefore numbering the carbon atom double bonds carries lower number 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-methyl-1-butene, 3-methyl-1-butene as the IUPAC name of the compounds. So in the similar way you can practice other member of alkene series also. Then you are getting you are very easy for writing the examinations. Okay. Then alkyne series, the last category is alkynes. What are alkynes? Alkynes are class of organic compounds which consist of carbon-carbon triple bond. Triple bond is present. So the compounds having the triple bond, it commonly said to be acetylenes. The common name of alkynes short from acetylenes. So first member, listen, alkynes. Alkynes CnH2n minus 2. General molecular formula CnH2n minus 2. The first member C2H2. Second member C3H4. Third member C4H6. Fifth member C5H8. C5H8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Listen, first member C triple bond C. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. The common name of the compound is acetylene. Acetylene. For writing the IUPAC name, 2 carbon atoms, therefore ethane. Ane is replaced by Yne, therefore ethyne. Ethyne is the IUPAC name of the compound, ethyne. Here 3 carbon atoms, you put triple bond any one of the place, CH, here C, CH3. The name of the group is methyl, therefore methyl acetylene. Methyl acetylene propyne. Methyl acetylene propyne. C, first you put triple bond here, CH, CH2, CH3. Ethyl acetylene. Ethyl acetylene 1-butene. 1-butene. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon number 1 and 2. In between carbon number 1 and 2 double bond is there. Therefore, you put 1 for numbering, lowest number 1 butane. See, put double bond here as a triple bond here. CH3, CH3. So, here one methyl group, here another one methyl group. Therefore, it is said to be dimethyl acetylene. Dimethyl acetylene 2-butane. Dimethyl acetylene, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon number 2 and 3 double bond is present. Therefore, 2-butane as the IUPAC name of the compound. So, students, this is very easiest to predict the IUPAC name of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So, you practice very well. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Thank you.